Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a quick video showing you how I applied this wig. I know I have not been on here in forever, so I'm like feeling really upbeat today or this weekend, so I'm trying to film a whole bunch of stuff while I'm in the mood, you know. But anyway, stay tuned if you want to see how I put this wig on. And of course, all the information on this wig will be in the description box. Hopefully I have a coupon code for you guys because I can't find it, so I have to email MyFirstWig to see what my coupon code is. I couldn't remember if it was Yolanda or Yolanda 15 or EXO Yolanda. I can't remember, but anyway, once I figure it out, I will put it in the description box and I will share it on my Instagram stories. Before we get started, I do want to highlight a few items. The products that I'm going to be using on my natural hair as well as the wig is from Alakay Naturals. Just wanted to highlight these really quickly. This is the lemongrass leave-in conditioner, and this is the 16 ounce. As you can tell, it's super big. And I don't understand why most people get 8 ounce. 16 ounce is bigger. It's not that much more expensive. You can get this at CVS and Target, and of course on AlakayNaturals.com. This is literally the best leave-in ever, like seriously. It's always been in my top 3, but yeah. And then the lemongrass slant lay edge gel. I don't have my edges showing, but I definitely use this because not only does it slay your edges, it also helps keep the health of your edges, because there is lemongrass oil in here as well as biotin is in here and some other amazing ingredients like argan oil, avocado oil, so much stuff. Castor oil is in here. So castor oil stands out to me, lemongrass oil, and also the biotin. So those items promote growth. Another thing is the mister, can't go without that, and the Felicia Leatherwood detangling brush. So these are all the items that really stand out to me while I'm slaying and laying my natural hair and the wig. So anyway, let's get into the video. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I just wanted to say that I miss you guys so much. And this weekend I just felt like filming, so that's why I'm like rushing. I rushed to put this on and look cute so I could get some content done. I have like 4 videos that I really want to do, and so many more that I need to do, like that I already committed to, and I've just been slacking. So stay tuned, and as always, I appreciate you guys being so understanding and still, you know, supporting my work when I come and go. But anyway, yeah, let's get started. Quick content, so I thought it was the perfect time to pull out this wig from MyFirstWig. And the cool thing about this is it is a headband wig, so it comes with a headband attached to it, so it's quicker to put on. You don't have to worry about laying your edges or anything. There's literally a headband connected to it. So this is the first time I've ever tried this, so I'm not going to act like I know what I'm doing. I'm just going to put it on how I normally do. There are some combs. There is 1, 2, 3, 4 combs. So front, back, and the 2 sides. Hopefully you guys can see it. This isn't going to be a very detailed video because I've got to hurry up and get to work because you guys know I haven't really been creating, so I'm like eager, like while I'm ready I want to do it. But anyway, so I'm just going to plop this on. I have a big forehead, but an option is you can put the headband back so it shows your edges. So you can place the headband like right here. And then you will have your wig on with a headband. But I have a big forehead, so that's why I like to cover my forehead. And now I'm just going to attach the headband part. So this is the headband part. It's elastic on envelope. So this is what it looks like right now without me like washing it, because obviously when you wet this type of hair, the curl pattern ends up being so much cuter. It did come with 2 headbands. So basically the headband that's attached to the wig is just for the wig. Then you put an actual headband over top of it. So they sent me 2 of them. Of course I'm gonna go for the gray. Oh, I should have had a gray sweatshirt on. Alright, so this is the headband. Alright, so now I have the actual headband on. And, okay, should I wet it? So far this is looking cute, right? And again, this is like the hair straight out of the pack. Like I haven't washed it, deep conditioned it to get like the true curl pattern. Imagine if it's like wet curl pattern over here. And I'll do the wet look on this side. And this spray bottle I got from South. Alright, next I'm going to add some of Alchemy Naturals lemongrass leave-in. Just put it in my hand. Like so. This is it, you guys. I absolutely love it. But anyway, I'm about to go film my video now, my pantry video. Hopefully you guys will watch that. I'm going to insert like a little cute little clip just to tell you what's coming next. But yeah.